Morning, everybody. It's 8:32, and I have a lot of numbers for you today. So let me just get right to them. This is your pre-opening comment for Wednesday, the 27th, and it is video number 1381. Okay, durable goods orders, very strong, up 1.9 versus expectations of down zero point 0.4. X transportation, they really fall off all the way down to up only 0.3%. Retail inventories are up 2% versus expectations of up 1%. The commentator was saying that's a good thing. According to Target and Walmart, they have too much inventory, so I'm not sure how that jibes with that. Wholesale inventories up 1.9 versus up 1.5 expected. Trade deficit, a big improvement. The high was 125. Last month was 104. This month is 92.8. So that's a big change to the downside. Earnings. Mortgage apps down 1.8% as usual. Asia mixed, Europe a little bit higher. Most of the big names missed on earnings. Boeing a miss, and the stock is 161 and change, up almost $5. Microsoft missed. The stock was down last night, but this morning is 260 and a quarter, and that's up 8 and a quarter. Chipotle missed just by a little, and that one is 1423, up 107. Google missed, and the stock is 109.35, up 391. Rio Tinto missed, but that one is down 56.98, down $2.13, and that jives pretty well with the debacle that we saw in Newmont Mining. Costs and labor just skyrocketing. Shopify continues lower. The stock was down $5 yesterday. Today it's down another 2.5. 29.16 down 237. And a little one that I've trumpeted for a while on and off here, and I bought a little bit of it in after I saw the headline. Teva Pharmaceuticals currently trading 886, and that's up $1.74 or 25%. I bought a little up about half that amount last night. I'm not telling you to buy it here. I'd give it a couple of days, but I want to let you know that Teva is a monstrous size company. It's been as high as about $72. They're an Israeli company, and they make the generics for a lot of the serious drugs. Now, the reason that the stock is up today is because of looks like a settlement for 4.25 billion on the opioid issue, and that would be across all of the states and countries and tribes, etc. And I think that we could have a pretty major turn here. That really has been the only big fly in the ointment keeping the stock down. So, if you can buy it at 8, I'd give it a shot. Up here at almost 9, um, you know, I'd be a little bit patient. And SAVA, SAVA, this is a huge problem. This stock went from $8 to 146, not overnight, but over a couple of year period, on the strength of its Alzheimer's drug. The stock this morning has been as low as 11. The current is about 16, down 590. And the issue there is there's a DOJ investigation into the company for manipulating the results of their trials for that Alzheimer's drug. So, that's always somewhat of a risk, but you really don't see it all that often. Okay, so at 7:30 the Dow was up 140. At 8:30 it was up 151. With all that news out, it's still up 147. Nasdaq was up 170, then it was up 173. Now it's up 175. So not a lot going on there. The S&P was up 32, then it was up 33. Now it's up about 33 and a half. So no real changes on any of the news. But we do have the big news this afternoon, 2 o'clock, with the Fed decision, and I guess 2:30 for the press conference. Okay, oil up 93 cents. It was as high as 99 yesterday, came all the way back down, traded as low as about 94 and change yesterday, and had closed down on the day at 94.98, down $1.72, up about half of that. Gold up 330. Silver, which was up 21 yesterday, is up another 22. Copper, not much, 2 cents at 340. Got a long way to go to that 502 number. In the softs, cotton up again. That's about $7 for the week, up here at 95. Coffee, I think the coffee may be a short in here, but it is up $2 and coming into some resistance above the market. The dollar is down a quarter after being up 70 cents yesterday. Bitcoin up almost 400 after being down 700 and 970. Ethereum up 92, and the bonds are up 730 seconds. So not really a lot going on. All right, everyone. Sorry for the length. I try to keep them short, especially in the morning, but that's everything I have right now. I'll be back later.